I woke up this morning, I can't be able to quench the urge of this akara. I was just craving for it. So I decided to make it this morning. I welcome you on Janosky Be Fit and Healthy channel. Keep watching. So I believe that a lot of us knows how to peel off beans back. For me, I normally use warm water. It goes very fast for me. And after that, I'll just soak it for 30 minutes before blending it. And after, you'll now see how I switch the buns oil I use because I don't have enough vegetable oil. That's the reason I switch that buns oil to Akara oil. Guys, keep watching. 20 minutes has passed. I'm about to start blending it. So for the first blending, I'll add water and blend it to be very, very soft. So for the second blending, I'll now go in with onions, medium onions. Remove the bag, wash it and cut it. Add it on top of the beans. Add small quantity of water and start blending it. Did you see the consistency? How it looks like? This one is very, very thick. Keep watching. And for the third blending, it's not so thick, it's not so watery, it's just there. It kind of being in the middle. And after, I'll now go ahead and add salt on it, dry blend pepper on it. This is the type of spoon I always like to use whenever I'm doing akara in my home. It gives me the shape I want and the way I want it to be. Here comes where the changing will start. First, pour the buns oil you have already used and then pour the remaining oil you have. Like I told you guys, I'm switching it. Wait a minute, you'll see how I switch it and you will like it. Go ahead and cut onions like I showed you now. This onions is what you will use to switch it. Oh yeah, you get my point. Yeah, and don't forget to fry it not on high heat but low heat so that the onions will not get burnt. Keep watching. Frying one medium of onions will make the aroma of that buns in that oil to change automatically before frying your akara. Then giving your akara, don't forget to fry not on high heat but on medium heat. Oh, I love the way it comes up and the way it's turning itself without any problem. Oh, so yummy, guys. Here is the best way for you to check whether the akara is done or not. Once the stick is free, nothing is on it, it's not stickable, then you know that your akara is done. Akara ball has a lot of health benefit, but it's not what I'm talking today. Today is just for you to know how you can switch your buns oil once you don't have enough oil to fry your akara ball at home and you are craving for it. Yeah, that is what I want to show you today, and next time I will now talk about the health benefit. But you already know that akara ball is a proteinous food. You can use it as snacks or as morning food. What do I mean? As breakfast or even evening food. Keep watching. I love my akara when it is big and small size. I love to enjoy it, especially when it is big size. You get my point? Especially when you are eating it with bread. Oh, so yummy, guys. Oh, so here is my akara for you, and I hope you really love this video. Here is the inside, how it looks like, guys. You need to have a taste of it. It's so yummy. It's so yummy. Yeah, and that's for it today. And here is the buns, the remaining buns my kids left for me this morning. Thank you so much for watching, and I will meet you in my next upcoming video. Don't forget that subscription is always free. Bye, sweetie.